Welcome to Approach to ABGs Part 2. What is pH? We're going to talk about what pH is and what the numbers actually mean. Remember that hydrogen ions are the definition of acid, and the more hydrogen ions you have, the more acidic a solution is. pH literally stands for the potential of hydrogen, and effectively it is a count of the hydrogen ions, and we're going to explain to you how it does this. Remember that when you have exponents for the number 10, it tells you how many decimal places you have. So 10 to the minus 1, 1 decimal place, 10 to the minus 3, or 10 to the minus 7, 3 or 7 decimal places. In math, these exponents are called log values. So we're going to pay attention to these log values with pH. pH is the negative log of the hydrogen ions, and we're going to explain what that exactly means in the next slide. So what do we mean by negative log? Well, if you have a value 10 to the minus 3, the log is negative 3, and the negative of that is going to be 3. Similarly, the negative log of 10 to the minus 7 is 7. So if we said the hydrogen ion concentration was equal to 0.001, which equals 10 to the minus 3, we would say that the negative log is 3, which means the pH is 3. So if you have a pH of 3, you know that the hydrogen ion concentration is 0.001. If we had a pH of 1, it means that the hydrogen ion concentration is -1, so the log is -1. The negative of the log, or the negative log, is going to be 1, and this is a very acidic solution. If you have a pH of 7, it means that you have 10 to the minus 7 hydrogen ions, and the negative log of that is positive 7. This is a neutral solution. And if you had a pH of 14, it means that the hydrogen ion concentration is 10 to the minus 14, which is a very, very small number, and this would be a very alkalotic or basic solution. The human body has a normal pH of 7.40, and the range of normal is 7.35 up to 7.45. If you have a pH less than 7.35, you are considered in a state of acid, so acidosis or acidemia. And if you have a pH greater than 7.45, you have alkalosis or alkalemia. You will have to memorize these values when you do ABG analysis. So make sure you commit these 3 values to memory because they will be very important. Human pH values go from lowest range that I've ever seen in clinical practice down to 6.5 up to maybe 7.8. And at these extremes of pH, survival becomes very challenging.